Hey guys, I'm Chad and welcome back to No Coffee Needed. We are doing something special for you today on the Blackstone. We're gonna do hibachi style fried rice with chicken and vegetables. That's right. If you hadn't already, we'd love for you to go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Go ahead and ring that little bell so you don't miss out on anything we got coming to you straight from No Coffee Needed right here in the heart of Myrtle Beach, South Carolina. Yes, we are glad that you're here. If you don't mind, give us a thumbs up, make some comments down below, and as always, the recipe will be down in the description below. But guys, today what we've got is we've got some jasmine rice that we cooked up yesterday, been in the refrigerator overnight, so it's been in there about 12 hours with some peas and carrots, frozen vegetables. We've got onions, garlic, we've got zucchini, mushrooms, and onions cut up right here. That's gonna go down. These onions will go in the rice, the diced up onions. Then we've got chicken right here, and it's diced up and ready to go. We are using soy sauce. We're using a teriyaki glaze today for the chicken. Then we've got some sesame oil, some pure sesame oil, along with sesame seeds, and then salt and pepper. But the first thing we want to do, we got the two middle burners on medium and the two side ones off. And then so as these begin to cook right here in the center, we'll slide everything to the side to let it finish cooking and stay good and warm. And the first thing we want to do is we want to take a little oil right here. We're going to put some oil down, get it ready for our rice. Like I said, this is cold, and we put it on this baking sheet in the refrigerator, kind of spread it out so that it would get cold evenly. The reason we put it in the refrigerator is because you do want it to dry out. You don't want this to be straight off the oven, hot and moist. You want this to be dried out. And this is 6 cups right here. She absolutely loves it. And a lot of people don't use teriyaki glaze. We're using this on the chicken. That is, Sandy really likes the teriyaki style chicken with that teriyaki glaze on it. So we'll put that on there. But we're just gonna let this rice sit here for just a minute and let it warm up. And you can see the warmer it gets, the easier it is to kind of mess with and play with. While that's heating up just a little bit, we're gonna take some butter. Put on there with a little bit of garlic. So slide this over here to the side. Gonna put down a little bit more oil. Put those onions down. And these will go into the rice in just a little bit. Put down a little bit more oil right here. We'll take these vegetables, put them right there. Woo, smelling good. We want to put a little salt and pepper on here. I like a good bit of pepper. While this is cooking, we're going to take just a little bit of the sesame oil. Put on there for a little bit of flavor. Go ahead and get those onions incorporated into that rice. Ooh, man, it is looking and smelling so good, guys. Man, that sesame oil just throws that Asian flavor, that Asian smell just all over you. It is smelling so good. Keep mixing these vegetables up, letting them cook, let them roll. Mushrooms, zucchini, onions, right there. That's our vegetable mixture. Right there, we love some mushrooms. These are just sliced portobello mushrooms. We like to use shiitakes, but we couldn't find any at the grocery store today, so we just grabbed some portobello, small portobello mushrooms and cut those up. We're gonna take a little soy sauce, put on there right quick. All right, guys, we want to take a little bit of this butter, put it down. Put a little bit of oil down. Slide this chicken right on there. Put a little sesame oil on the chicken, just for some good flavor and smell and aroma. That sesame oil is one of the tricks to it. You can use some grapeseed oil instead of olive oil. It'll give it a little bit different flavor too. Whatever you want to do, but I just put vegetable oil down today and then using sesame oil. Put a little soy sauce on the chicken. Going to take a little bit of this glaze in just a minute. Going to let that chicken cook just a little bit longer, and then we'll put some of this teriyaki glaze on it. Some of these pieces of chicken are a little big. I'm just cutting those up. Yes, you can cut right here on top of your griddle top. Won't hurt a thing. It will dull your knife. But we do keep our knives extremely sharp here at No Coffee Needed. All right, guys, that chicken right there is almost done. So we want to take some of this teriyaki glaze, and it's thick stuff and it goes a long ways. Right there, we'll go just take it, mix this chicken up good, get it all well coated. We'll take some sesame seeds, sprinkle on it. Sprinkle some sesame seeds on our rice. A little bit on our vegetables. Soy sauce. A little bit more sesame oil. We'll put just a hair of teriyaki glaze in there, not much, just a little bit. Get all that incorporated. There we go. That is looking good right there. That is hibachi, no coffee needed style. Just getting all this inside, go give it a taste test. Woo! I like it. I love it. I want some more of it. All right, guys, we're gonna cut this off. We'll come back and clean her up later, but right now, let's get inside and give this a taste test. What you say? Guys, that fried rice, we hit it. We put it on the griddle top first. We used some oil. Once it got nice and warm, we added some butter. We hit it, then we let it set it over to the side, let it get good and warm. We hit it with soy sauce, hit it with that sesame oil, which gives it that Asian aroma, that Asian flair that we all crave for. Then we hit it with just a little bit of that teriyaki glaze. Guys, it has some peas and carrots, frozen vegetables in there with some onion. I'm telling you, if you like hibachi on the griddle top, you really need to try this. Put your own little spin on it, however you want to cook it. But guys, I'm telling you, this is unbelievably good. From right here at No Coffee Needed, guys, we want you to know we love you. We appreciate you watching. If you would, go ahead and hit that subscribe button, ring that little bell, give us a thumbs up, make some comments down below. Just know that we love you, we appreciate you. Until next time, now you're cooking No Coffee Needed style.